Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make your blog post to YouTube video, so this video for you. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can make your WordPress blog to AI video, and it's completely free guys. So if you have any WordPress website or if you want to create AI video, so you can use this method. Okay, so if you are a student or if you are a new blogger or if you are a freelancer, so if you want to help your client, also you can get more audience through YouTube video. So once you have done your WordPress website, so this is my website, that's mean you can generate your more audience through your YouTube video. Okay, so once you publish your content and blog post, and then you can generate more money simultaneously, like you can make money from YouTube, also you can make money on blogging. Okay, so I use this method guys, and it's very easy. You shouldn't spend lots of time to creating videos. Like creating videos is like really game changing right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you very shortly. Okay, so I'm going to open this my post, best YouTube channel to learn about the stock market in India free. So just open this post. So this is my blog post guys, also over there, and you will find lots of information. So as a new content creator, you can hire someone else who can generate your video. You can spend money to generate video, like using different kind of tools. Okay, so I'm going to show you the easiest way so that you don't have to spend money. You can generate by yourself and you can create unlimited guys. Today I'm going to show you the tools. It's called flexclip.com. There are several ways you can create, like create with magic tools. They have different kind of features over there: AI video generator, auto subtitle, text to speech, translate, recording. Okay, so we have to use AI video generator, so let's click on that. All right, so before jumping into the next, okay, so if you don't have any account on FlexClip, just use your Gmail account and just create your free account and you can use. Okay, so let's click on AI video generator. So once you landed this page, AI video generator, you'll find two options, like AI text to video, and the second option is article or URL to video. So this is the options we are looking for. Very interesting. So let's click on that, article, URL to video, and here is an option, input or paste article content. But very interesting, we're not put any article over there. So there are two ways you can create. Like if you just copy and paste the article from your blog post, all the article, and then copy the article and then you can paste it over here. Okay, and how much words they are contain, like 8,000 words. Okay, but you will see from URL paste article link, that's the most interesting thing. So I don't have to copy all the text, just grab the URL, that's mean the post URL, and then go back to FlexClip and just paste it here. All right, and scroll down, you will see the styles, that's mean the captions. So it's okay, you can keep as it is, we can change later. Okay, so it's time to generate. Very simple. So let's click on generate. So FlexClip help us to generate our video. They will definitely analyzing our content, and then they can fix some scenario and messing different kind of media resources. Okay, they have generated a lots of scenes over there. This is the AI excerpt. Okay, and the left hand sidebar you will see the source article. So where they find the source article, they just grab the article from this URL. Okay, that's mean that this content. All right, you will find the different kind of the sections over there, and you will find the voiceover sections. That's mean, let's click on Jenny. If you are in Philippines, Singapore, South Africa, UK, USA, and different kind of countries over there, so where are you from, please comment below and just make your videos. So you will just click on and drop down and select your countries. Voice, very important. So you can select female, male, also you can listen over there. So which one is perfect, so then you can select and I think everything is perfect. Then click on OK, and it's time to add to timeline. So our video isn't ready yet. Okay, make sure everything is perfect. So if you want to change the images over there, so you can. Okay, so how we can change the images? So also you can change the content or text from here. If you want to replace our media, so click on replace media, and you will find a free learning options. So fortunately, you don't need to spend a fortune or courses to get started. So that's mean free learning options. Okay, so also you can click on courses and scroll down. You will find a lots of resources over there. Okay, so I am going to select this one, the first one, 5 seconds. So let's click on that and then click on replace. So our video will be replaced. So it's pretty simple. And finally, when you're done, so let's click on add to timeline. And here you go, choose the way to apply scenes. So let's click on replace wall. Okay, click on apply. All right guys, and finally our video will be generating. All right, so it's a 2-minute plus videos. Okay, so that's amazing guys. All the subtitles, that's been all the captions over there. And let's click on any one of them, and you will find the options where you can change the style. So let's click on style, and also you can change the style. So I'm going to check this, that's mean cool text. And if I want to play, so you can see the changes over here. So let's play the video. All right, have you seen this? Perfect. So everything is done, so it's time to upload. So how we can upload? Just click on here, and you will find the export settings. That's mean resolution 180 pixel, make sure frame rate 60 fps, and quality high quality. Over there you will find another 2 options, like recommended only and the normal quality. So make sure the high quality, and let's click on export. So our video is rendering. So finally, when it gets 100% done, so it will download it into your device automatically. And make sure you stay this page. That's been FlexClip recommend you to stay there, because please stay at this page for a faster export process. All right guys, finally our video is ready. Okay, and already downloaded. So it's time to upload into our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's upload the video. So click on upload here, and let's select the file. So let's copy the title and paste into the description. Okay, also let's put it into the tag section. All right, so we have some settings over there, like select the no, it's not made for kids. Also altered content, definitely you have to select yes, because it's 100% AI content, and that will help you to find the different kind of tags. It's really important to do your video SEO. So this is how you can get results, like search result. So when someone search one, so they will find your YouTube video. So I'm going to paste that again here, and let's click on next. Checks complete, no issues found, completely okay to use in your YouTube video. So okay, all right, so it's time to publish now. So make it public, and once you published, so share as much as you can all the social links. All right guys, so this is for today. So if you found this video is helpful, please comment below, and if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, bye bye.